Okay, this is going to be a quick lesson on how to strip a wire and use a connector. You're going to use the 22 to 18 gauge butt splice connector, and you're going to want to try to find, the corresponding gauge over here on your wire strippers, and you should be able to find them on yours pretty easily. So you want to give a little bit of room, pinch it, and then slide it off. Once you've done that, you want to take the end of it and you want to twist it. So the wires are twisted, they're all going in the same direction, you don't have any wires that are sticking out, nothing's frayed. You've got a small piece of metal inside of this connector that you're going to be pinching with these pliers to crimp. And you should be able to push it up all the way, and it should stop. And then you take your pliers, figure out what size it is. Put it in there like that, squeeze them, and then you'll have a tight fit. So, to repeat that, you go in, cut the original wire, and then you're going to want to strip the plastic off. Twist the wire, make sure that it's not frayed, and then you can take it, slide it in, and crimp it. So those are the basic fundamentals. The cutting, it's the first part, figuring out what size to put it in, stripping the wire, twisting the wire, sliding a butt slice connector on it until you make sure that it is flush and that it is all the way in. And then the part that you crimp is not at the very end, it's